Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
I bake something even sweeter. Why not? Welcome, chat. Hello, everyone. Welcome, Dima. I am fine. Thank you very much for asking. And how are you? Well, I mean, fine. A little bit tired. I woke up at 4 in the morning. Cause I go to sleep early and I woke up early. And I started working on AI and stuff, cause I have a lot of stuff to do on my channel, yada yada. But yeah. So I mean, when I go streaming, I mean, I'm already a little bit tired. This has been already 5 hours that I woke up. But yes, I mean, I'm perfectly fine and with plenty of stuff to do. Plenty of stuff to do, Demon. How are you? I hope you are fine. I mean, I really hope you are fine. So, and yeah, so I have such a long list of stuff to do that is, yes, almost scary. I mean, very, very scary. Long list of stuff to do, but I probably will tackle them one at once. So that's probably what I will do. So, and so let's go back here. So we are at the moment. I'm running a batch of image. My cake looks yummy. Can you get a slice? Oh, absolutely sure. Instantly. I mean, if you want cake, this is the place. There's absolutely, when someone say give me a cake, yes, instantly. I mean, I can do this the whole day. If you were to tell me, cake, I can give you cake every single moment. We have an abundance of cake. A really abundance of cake. So you just have to pick the one that you prefer the most. There is absolutely no problem in asking for cake, so you are very, very welcome. So, because, cakes, yes, plenty of them, Dima. We have plenty of cakes to give, so, anyway. So I have to pick my notes, Jesus, because I have so much stuff to do. So this Things here is doing a batch. Has been doing a batch for almost, more than 1 hour now. But he hasn't done, and some of the items of the batch, weren't good. So I will have to troubleshoot that later after the batch is done. But we can do something different. I can close this file because that's now. So this thread is closed. And let me check my notes, because there is real a lot stuff that I have to do. You mean real cakes? Not bad cakes. I only have a birthday cake. But if you want a real cake, yes, I have it. It's a birthday. The only normal cake we have, even if you're a bakery, it's a birthday cake. So I hope you enjoy this. So it's also made from a very, very, very old video. Very horribly done. I should remake this. This is also in the list of the stuff I have to do, Dima. But if you, it's weird. And so anytime someone asks me for a normal cake, I think, what's wrong with you? Because usually, people here want spicy cakes, fat cakes, but you want a normal cake. Oh, Dima. What a strange thing that you ask me for. A normal cake. I guess I can give it to you, but I'm glad that the cake is not a lie. No, the cake is never a lie. Not here. If there is a place where cakes are not a lie, this is the place. So this is absolutely the place where cakes are not a lie. So, okay, so let me see. So there are some stuff we have to do here. So there are some stuff we have to do. So okay, let's start. Let me check all my notes. Of stuff to do. Okay. I see. Okay. Okay, maybe we can try to go a little bit on with our YouTube intelligence system. Could be something. That could be something. Or maybe we can go a little bit with the Carpati and the Wikipedia project about Suno prompts. That's also seems something interesting that I want. Probably we should go a little bit with the video things first. This probably has a higher priority. So let's do this. Let's go back to the codex. I hope I don't kill you for science. Why should I ever kill you, Dima? You came here every day to chat with me. Why would I ever kill you? People that come here every day are very precious to me. So why would I ever want to kill you? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't really make sense. Okay, let me talk with to ChatGPT. So where do we have the YouTube image for intelligence? somewhere in the repository, there should be a working document on making a YouTube intelligence system that is made for with analyzing transcripts and video and other stuff. I want you to check the document and make me a small summary on where we are at with this project, with that project, and yeah. So make this a small summary, and also what should be done next. It was a Portal reference. Oh, you see, you have a lot of this reference of older games that I've never played because I mean, I'm younger than you, so I mean, I'm sorry I never understand your references sometimes because you always put these very interesting references like, I mean, Sailor Moon or Portal or other stuff, but I mean, I think I'm too young to get them properly, but I appreciate that. I mean, it's all knowledge for me, which is very nice. Okay. See you later, Dima. See you later. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate that. Thanks for dropping by. So, where we are. Okay, let me read this. Where we are. Okay. Is Luna Stream Intelligence System Plan. Perfect. We are the project moving from college to driving abroad and pilot stream intelligence. Yes, okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Cervo, yeah, it's okay, don't worry. Sleep well, Luigi, sleep well, and thanks for dropping by to say me good to say good night to me. Buonanotte, Cervo, grazie mille per essere passato. Fa sogni d'oro, ok, fa sogni d'oro, un abbraccio e buon lavoro per domani. So, okay, so the stream classification. Okay, classification first. Yes. Grazie mille, buonanotte, certo. Yes, I think we should go into classification and classification first. But I mean, I am wondering, I mean, if we shouldn't explore first more option. Because, I mean, at the moment we were using for downloading the script, for instance, a normal YouTube API key that was just generic, when instead we could link that, I mean, we could get a specific API key for my channel. And also, I mean, I've recently implemented an MCP server with vidIQ. And maybe that could also be useful, so maybe you should check a little bit with this other new information before we plan the next step. Okay, the image batch is done. Okay, let me see. Okay, I have to check the batch here now. That's probably going to take a little bit. I wonder if I can share this. Because I can only share one thing. I really don't want to share the whole. I really don't want to share the thing. I wonder how can I do check this. Probably a mad check this. This place. Maybe I can ask ChatGPT to. How much memory context do you have left in this window? So do you think I can safely open another chat window and continue from there because we don't have anything going on? Okay. Let's go back one moment into this ad. So I've recently run a batch for creating around 120 images, and I've noticed that some of them didn't come correct. Can you make some contact sheet with 10 pictures each, or maybe 9? Yeah, probably 9. 9 would be better, with 9 pictures each. So I can then check which numbers of these pictures are the wrong one. You can find the pictures that I want you to make a screenshot is inside the repository, and you go into the asset folders, there into the private folder, then into the Luna folder, and then there is a generated folder, and then you go into 2026, May 25. So they were all generated today on May 25, 2026. And I want the contact sheets only with the folders that start with prompt, iPhone, and then a number. So they start with 001 and they end with 115. So make the contact sheet from this one contact sheet at a time. Okay, so 13 contact sheets. Okay, interesting. So very good. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at this. So we can go back to this other things. Ok, jest change next step odbite. Check the rep vidi to the good rep on supported by FML not overall authorized by okay. As an implemented open. Yes, but database not really for your channel in this sense of the channel owner. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's keep going with this then. Oh, are we done already? Oh, we are done. And all 30 sheets were created. Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. We were created this sheet. Contest sheets line up. Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay, so we can see which one were very wrong. Yeah. Oh, okay, 020. Sure. 020. Okay. 040. Okay. 050. Oh, look at 60. 60. Probably this one. This 7. Okay. Okay. We have to redo this a little bit, so we have to redo this a little bit. Okay. Okay, good. So let me talk with that. It's like down. Just welcome to the drums. Okay, good. Let's do this. So. Okay, certain image needs to be remade. I will now tell you the numbers, but just memorize them. So you then later on I will tell you how to remake them because a certain one didn't come good. Okay, so let's start. So the first one is number 13. 13013. Okay, 13. Then we have 20020. Okay. Then we have 40040. Then we have 50050. 57057. 60060. 63063. 64064. 65065. 67067. 82082. 86086. 95095. 101101. And 115115. Okay, so let's keep going on with this. Let's keep going on. this. Okay, good. So the problem is that these images above weren't generated with Luna Image Skill. We have a specific skill for generating Luna image that you can find in the skill folder, and also as a portable skill in the repository. I think it's called Luna image or something, but anyway, you should absolutely find, because it's the only it's the only skill we have that generates images for Luna in the project. I mean, that is dedicated, tailored for Luna. And so what I want you to do is, I want you to spawn several agents, ensure that the agents use the correct skill, and regenerate these files, and save these files in exactly the same folder in which the bad ones are generated. They just have to add, I don't know, version 2 at the end or whatever, so I can then compare them later. And regarding the prompt for each individual image, there is an MD file, which is inside the repository, in a temporary folder of the repository, TMP, and the file is called welcome to my bakery recovered prompts.md. Check if you find everything that I've told you, and then let me know. And then eventually, if everything is if you have all the data that you need, we can then later, after you give me your okay, I will give you my okay to start patch. Okay, that sounds interesting. Yes. Okay, go. Let's go. So we can then work on the other things. Let's go. Hopefully, okay, question. There is no detailed string classification scheme yet. The master plan. Remix 4768. Welcome to the stream. And Remix, I do not remember your name. Are you new to the stream? I guess so. I guess you're probably new to the stream. What would bring you here? AI coding and stuff, or gaming, or you just a YouTube fan? I'm curious. Cause you probably, I popped it up in your recommendation and you decided to click. So I'm just curious to see where you, what are your interests? So I can introduce myself properly, and you can have an idea on what they do and such. So, cause I really do not remember your name. Or maybe if you were a lurker and you've been watching a lot of times, in that case, well, my apologies, but I really don't remember his name. So I guess you're right. So if you want to tell me a little bit more, and then I can introduce you a little bit. I can introduce myself, and I can tell you what you can find here that can fit your interest. Anyway, I can give you a general. I was exploring stream with Lois V's Oberman found an interesting thing. Oh, well, that's so lovely from you. And we need more people like you in the world. Okay, well, let me tell you what I do. Yes, so you have an idea. So, well, I mostly started as a gaming streamer, and I made the guide for games. I usually make guides for games and I play usually games during my stream. But I mean, in the recent months, recently I was trying to increase the quality of my stream. Because I mean, I wanted to make more videos, more stuff, and so I started stumbling in. I mean, I decided I want to try AI to do more stuff, and I'm actually getting, I mean, seriously addicted to this because it's incredibly interesting and funny. As creator, hey Mehula Pamar 8793, welcome to the stream. Just one moment that I'm talking with Radix, then I will be to you, okay? Just give me 1 minute. But anyway, welcome to the stream, Mehula Pamar 8793. So yeah, basically, I mean, I am restarting. So I'll be starting making stuff with that because I wanted to make, I mean, some video with my character and some others, you know, backgrounds to use for my stream and such. But I'm really enjoying this stuff. I've been studying like crazy a lot of AI stuff recently, so I mean, I have started introducing streams. I do stuff with AI. I mean, but at the moment, I mean, they're not very popular because I mean, when I play games, I mean, a lot of people came, but when I do this stuff, not so many. But I still want to try to see if there is an audience for these things, because I mean, I'm really enjoying also creating this stuff. So I mean, I don't know. But yeah, usually, where are you from? You like my accent? Oh well, I mean, my parents are from Italy, and both me and my sisters, we were born. I mean, I have a twin sister. We were born in Italy, but when we were 2, my parents moved to Japan because my dad found a job here in Japan. So I was raised and I still live in Japan, in Tokyo. So yeah, I've been living in Japan since then. I mean, we do sometimes get to Italy, I mean, for, you know, I mean, relatives and stuff, but yeah, I mean, I would dare say, I mean, I was raised in Japan, so yes. But the accent, I guess, it's a mix of Italian and weird stuff I take up the way due to this, I mean, weird migration and things, whatever. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for, I mean, I appreciate the compliment. So I really appreciate the compliment. And so, I mean, I don't know. I mean, maybe since you're new and since you are, I don't know, maybe looking for new stuff going on. Yeah, maybe you can have a neutral eye. I mean, on what I do here, and maybe you can give some advice on how to make this better. Cause I'm really new in streaming AI workflow. I mean, I usually tend to do 2-3 things. I mean, cause these are all things that I can do finally. And one part is AI engineering and coding, which is the one I was right now. And of course, I can also make images and video. But one thing that, I mean, it seems a lot of people seems to enjoy is when I make song. Because usually I take funny moments in the chat that happens in the chat. Talking, I mean, with people, you know, maybe a jokes came out, and then we make a song out of the joke. So I mean, out of a stream moment. Yeah, and that's usually, I mean, I think it's very funny because yeah, it's usually very funny. So, but yeah, so maybe stay a little bit, maybe something, I mean, funny will happen, and then maybe we can make a song about it. I mean, I don't know, but anyway, I mean, since you were looking and to search for new people, I mean, you know, maybe yeah, maybe you can then give some feedback that it will help. Yeah. I mean, I'm very new into streaming these AI things. I mean, I simply find myself very attracted to it, and cause it's incredibly interesting. For instance, at the moment, I was doing 2 different things. I was running a batch of images because I wanted to do I wanted to redo actually a video that I made, and I was generating some images to use as starting frame for video generation. Let me show you some of the images that I've been generating at the moment. So that's this. How long have I been doing streaming? Okay, well, relatively new. I guess 6 months, more or less, but not even 6 months. I guess it was during. Yeah, I would dare say 6 months, more or less, cause yeah. I am the channel. I started this channel 2 years and a half ago. But then I took a long break, 1 year and a half, and then I come back recently. I would dare say a little bit less than half a year ago, but then one of my relatives in Italy felt sick, and we had to fly to Italy, and they couldn't even stream for 1 month and a half straight. So I would dare say 6 months total. More or less. I've been streaming for 6 months total, and yeah, I still think that, yeah, I really like gaming, but I don't know, at this moment, I'm really interested into this stuff too. Yeah, but relatively new to streaming. Yeah. And yeah, it's, every day that passes, I learn something new. I'm not about, because I thought at the beginning, it was just, you put the camera and you play games, and you talk while you appeal or please Vainglory. What? Yes, L. Can you try to word this a little bit more extensively? Because I don't understand what you're trying to say. English is not my native language, so you appeal or PSL. There probably it has a meaning, but I don't understand it. So if you can word that, probably would be better. So, and while you word that, I keep finishing what I was saying on. So at the beginning I thought it was only, you just put your camera, you stream your whatever, and you play games. But the more I do this, the more I understand it's all about being management, and yeah, and try to please the people that watch you. It's very, very different than, I pick a camera and I do my stuff. It's more than, this is the moment in which you can go bother me, and I will do whatever the fuck you want. Because this is basically, what it has become in stream for me. And sometimes it goes even after that, in private life, because I am a small Discord server with 4 page and members, and it's really about, community management, and try to do stuff with the people that come watch the stream, and like some sort of, live entertainment section tailored for the viewers, with the viewers in real time. It's absolutely very, very far away. I want to play this game, and I'm going to stream a little bit. So I guess, and so the more I stream, the more I learn, and the more some new stuff surprises me. But anyway, I was trying to show you, yeah, what one of the things that I was doing at the. So I was creating, a series of images behind my so some these didn't see me. So because I want to use them for a video, and I made, several batches of different images with different settings and whatever. So maybe, yeah. Cause I want to remake a video I made, and I don't know if you know how image generation for video works. You have basically 3 ways to generate video with the AI. One is you describe what you want, then that's called a text to video. Then there is image to video, in which you give the AI a starting frame, and then it makes a video starting from the image you give as reference. And then there is reference to video, in which you give the AI several references, and then you tell the AI to to make a video based on your instruction using the reference you gave them. So I was making some images to use into an image to video workflow. So yeah, maybe I'm getting too much technical, but I guess I will just try to explain you what I was doing, and at the same time, I was also planning and building a way to archive my streams, my past streams, so I can analyze the transcripts of the streams and yeah, so yeah, let's say a stream brain intelligence system, something like that. So anyway, let's see what the AI was telling me here. So there is no hmm. Yes, we can start small with their kind of stream first. It's perfectly fine. And now let's go back to the other shot of the ship. So let's see what it says. So all the new images were regenerated. Okay, let me see. Can you make a bit of content, some contact sheets, 9 per sheet, only with the newly regenerated images, so I can see if they are correct or not? Thank you very much. Very good. So we are working on this at the same time. We are multitasking. Okay, so let's see. Okay, good. Sadly, data shaded first and classification pass will be prior. Okay, perfect. Current cover is at 12 streams. Okay, good. Should the classification say the string content identity first? The string function content identity first. Yes, should describe the content identity first. Yes, obviously. Okay, very good. So, okay, we already made the content sheet, so let's have a look at this file. Can we see this? Probably not from there. It's better to regenerate it. Since we made a separate folder, I guess. Inside that folder regenerated content sheet, probably. Content sheet regenerated lineup. Okay, very good. So, okay, that seems important. Yes, perfect. They are okay, they are good now. Oh, very well done. Perfect. We can close this. Very good, and we can also close the batch because that's done. And this is done. Perfect. Very good. So, okay, chapter pilot, and we go back to this. And we can, close this. Okay, I am lagging a little bit. What is that? It's me lagging. I have to understand. People probably. Okay. Wow. Good. Let's keep going. So. Okay, for the human readable. Okay, good. Question: should the full classification pass deterministic? Deterministics against yeah, but mind that the tags that you are seeing, in partly they were regenerated. They were generated after there was a semantic interpretation of the transcript using a local LLM gem. So I mean, sure we can start deterministic, but I think, I mean, what I want to say is that, I mean, if I imagine this situation properly, I mean, we first download the transcript, right? For instance, now, I mean, and we have to decide details, but whatever. So, but I'm imagining that the flow is we download the transcript, we then add some generic tags. I mean, from what we can learn from the base transcript, then we interpret semantically the transcript with I mean, our longitudinal and segment analysis, and then we edit again the information so it's more it, right? So I guess yes, start with the deterministic, but I think it's like a loop, no? Uh, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, 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 okay. Semantic review and derived. Semantic review and derived. Uh, yeah, I mean, yes, I mean, we can start with something and then see later. I mean, if it needs some changes or adjustments. Should we implement the first seed classification lecture report now? Okay, sure, seems good. Yes, seems good to me. Okay, boom. And it's basically coding. Which is insane. I don't have coding skill, but to think that, I mean, again, I can explain what I want and it codes for me. I mean, it's insane. It's really insane. Just that can fucking for me. Okay, so how long is this going to take? Oh, it done. So I made almost 400 line of codes. I mean, yes. The script isn't placed environment. Okay, I'll go grab a drink while this system. I'll be back in. good, still working, so maybe we can do something else right, but this thing is not that doing this stuff. But I mean, there were some other things I want to do, so I mean, since it seems that this thing is going to take a while, we can probably go parallel with the, oh, it has done. Okay, good, so we can check this. Okay, classification seed summary, okay. Very good, so, okay, let's see a little bit. I want to create a prototype of a possible front end in which, I mean, I can search for streams or, I mean, check them. I mean, I don't need to create the back end to the real data. I mean, I just want a prototype based, I mean, on the categories, you know, that are already in the stream, in this database, you know what I mean, this MD with the stream catalog. So, I mean, try to give me, I mean, a possible interface in which I could sort or search for streams so we can start prototyping it a little bit, and from there, I mean, go into a reverse process to see exactly which kind of categories we should use into this, stream archiving system, and also how to expand it to be future-proof. Okay, very good. So while it does these things here, I mean, we can go. Very good, very good. So we go. Very good, very good. So we're going in the meanwhile to make another chat while we wait so we can bother stuff. That, oh, in fast to the same hour 90 of plant usage. I'm fine at the moment. Medium. I mean, medium needs better reasoning, so I guess I'm fine. So, what do I want? Alright, so, I want you to create a new folder into the repository, which is called the Fiction Lab, and a document that at the moment you can just that explain what the folder is there about and what we are doing here. So basically, Fiction Lab is I don't want to say a visual novel generator, but it is a website in which, I mean, actually you can look for Fiction Lab on the internet. You also have the Google Chrome extension, and so let's do this. I mean, go check about Fiction Lab using the Chrome extension or whatever, and then we go back into this and discuss later. Okay, perfect. Is these things going on? Yes, these things also still studying. He's still creating an HTML with the backend, and I guess this should be relatively short. So. Okay. Let's keep doing this. With a separated MC power system side. Oh, there is a Fiction laptop at. I mean, I have to study this. Interest. Let me search. This seems very fast. There is a Fiction laptop at even. Whoa. Wow. Wow, what's this? Ooh. Wow. Very interesting. Hoo 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 hoo. Oh, you see? Okay. What has he done into the red? Very good. And then we need an approval for the other wheel. Let's go here. Yes. Sure. Do that. And let's check this. So, uh, alert! Insane stream? I mean, seriously? I mean, it doesn't seem to me I'm doing anything particularly special here. Alert? I mean, what does this to be so insane? I mean, please elaborate because it seems a very normal stream to me. I mean, actually, I mean, there are just 4 people in the moment in the chat, so I mean, I don't really. Not insane stream them. Exactly, not insane stream is I would say very normal stream. Exactly, scream normal stream. I think that's better. That's better. I mean, I've read your messages in Discord. I've replied to that, and I mean, to be honest, I was busy doing some stuff this morning, so I haven't checked the collab video you mentioned. I think that's already online, right? I want to check it later because I'm curious to see what you cooked with the other streamer, with the other YouTuber, or whatever. So I want to check that later. But also you don't damn apologize if the collaboration we are doing, I mean, is taking time. I mean, I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. Oh, and by the way, we also won the second Guild Wars season. Was ended yesterday, and we won it. So I mean, if you want, when you would revise this, I mean, you can add a note and say at the moment of the interview, I mean, Luna was first, but I mean, they also won the second season. So I mean, so my bragging rights are even more shiny, and your video has even more more influence, I guess. So the allow browser access, yes, allow, sure. Let me see. Uh, and so yes. So okay, good. By the way, I'll admit I'm doing several stuff at time at the moment. And probably maybe we should do a song. Because I like this fact the normal stream and the insane stream all caps. I mean, I think it's very funny. I think it's very funny. Maybe we can make a song out of it. Very funny concept. Maybe we just need a little bit more inputs and that could turn out into a very fun song. Insane stream with, I mean, 4 people in. Yes, we can do this. And this seems quite interesting. So, let me see this. How this, so we can check. It's, we can check this a little bit. So, okay. The toolbar is fixed up. Oh, wow. I mean, this thing is making me a fucking website. which is very, very nice. Okay, that's the prototype. Very good. Very good. I can try that there. Okay, very good. Perfect. Let's see. Let's check this. Let's check this. I mean, it even made a website for us. So I guess we can open this in Chrome. Copy link. Let's open this in. So we'll see what's it's about, right? Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look at this! Wow! 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 Okay, that's. Oh, look at this. So we have. Oh, I see. So we can check this. Oh, Luna Stream catalog. Oh, second, we can decide by topic. Sure. By format. Sure. By flags. Sure. Maybe we can also search by view times and view hours. Right. I guess could be interesting, right? I mean, we can search. So let's say, for instance, dig. Oh, and we got all the dig things there. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, can it search the content inside? I mean, very nice. So, okay. So, for instance, if I click here, what does it do? Oh, then it gives all the tags there. Okay, interesting. Gives the tags of what we are doing. Classification layers. Sure. I don't. That's probably not exactly. I mean, what I was looking for. Then we have a table. Okay, that's probably better. Activity reset chat views. Oh, it also have the views. Can we sort by views? Not really. Not by activity, not by runtime, not by date. I mean, that's not exactly. That's not exactly okay. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's go back to ChatGPT. So, let's go back to Codex. So we have discussed with ChatGPT. So I'm checking the mockup of stuff you made, and I mean, well, at the moment, I mean, at the moment, the front end, I mean, isn't even sortable. I mean, yeah, we have sort from US first or whatever, but I mean, yeah. Oh well, never mind. Actually, it is sortable. So let's redo this. I don't want. I have to change this. So, so James, good morning, James, good morning, good morning, good. So, good. So okay, I'm watching the tentative of the front end you made. I mean, I won't change. I mean, so many things, but at least it gave me an idea on what could possibly be. And I mean, I don't think there is to make front end right now. But the question I'm thinking is really a markdown file the best way to store the index? Because I mean, imagine when we have maybe 1,000 of entries. I mean, wouldn't it be better to have a classic database? I mean, I know there are some databases that are very good to work with AI. I don't remember the name exactly, but I can dig into it if you want it. But I mean, why the markdown for storing this information? Okay, hey Razormo, welcome to the stream, Razormo, welcome to the stream. I mean, we are doing a lot of stuff today. I mean, I'm working on my stream archive system, because it's not just an archive of my stream. It's a way to dig into my stream to search for what happened inside my stream. So it analyzes the transcripts of my stream and eventually can make a clip out of them. So yeah, SQLite, last database, chroma quadrant, digit vector. I think I need to do what did I search? How is fucking good that YouTubers here? How is cool at that YouTube? YouTube. Probably Andrew Nate? Andrew Nate the AI? Probably it's him? Maybe. No, not him. It's not Andrew. Okay, never mind. I think I have to do my channel. And then I have to find it in my marks because I don't know. So, let's go back to that channel. Then we go into my home. Okay, I think it was something with day, but I don't remember. So, that maybe it isn't even date. Maybe I am Jesus. Probably on the old that yet I don't the old inside the AI stuff as usually counts here. Or maybe into my history. 次じゃあそれお見ですよ。次じゃあそう見え。Okay, this the browser is can't even click. Ready? Oh, okay. Yeah, Nate B. Jones. Okay, Nate B. Jones. Okay. Nate B. Jones. AI News and Strategy Dailies. Nate B. Jones. Okay, let's go back to the codex. It's very slow. It's very slow, so wait. So, listen, use the Chrome plugin to check for on YouTube about VTuber. The channel is called AI News and Strategy Dailies and is called Nate B. Jones. And yes, some videos about what he calls the second brain, and in which it does some discussion about a certain type of database to use with AI. Check that videos and come back to me later when you understand exactly what he's talking about. So we want to implement our database according to this specification, okay? The Furian disappearance is everywhere, man. The Furian. Who is Furian? Is a VTuber? Furian? Who is she? Furian disappearance. Let me search on YouTube. Furian disappearance. Okay, let me search. Furian. Oh, disappearance. There has been something. Oh, missing. Oh, okay. Oh, she was a VTuber. Oh, okay. They are Psychord. Welcome. Oh, okay. So this VTuber went missing. Well, I'm sort of. Well, I'm sort of happy for her in the meaning that she got missing and there's so many people looking out for her. Not that the fact that she was missing, but but the fact that when she went missing, many people are actually looking forward to find what happened to her, which I find very, very, very nice. Very nice. Arpsichord, welcome back to the stream, Arpsichord. Welcome back to the stream. So, welcome back, yeah. Yeah, it's the biggest mystery in the VTuber community. I was thinking about this recently. I was thinking about this recently. About the VTuber community in general. And what does it take? What does it make someone a member of the VTuber community? Because I don't understand. You know what I mean? What is the VTuber community? Is the community of people following the most famous VTuber? I mean, is everything VTube related? I mean, it's not a troll question. I mean, I'm not trolling you. I mean, it's a discussion. I mean, it's a discussion. I mean, a serious discussion because I do not understand myself. I mean, what is... Because I was thinking, I mean, am I part of this community? I mean, I haven't even asked to join this community. And probably, I mean, I'm not even part of it. So, I mean, I don't really understand what is the VTube community. Is the fan base following the famous VTubers? Is every VTuber that everyone is a VTuber and then is part is using a VTube avatar that makes you part of the VTuber community automatically? So am I already, even if I didn't sign up for this, am I part already of this? So I mean, I really don't understand, because I mean, I think I don't know, I mean, to be a part of a community, I mean, you need to actively participate to it, you know what I mean? So let's take Dragon Traveler, for instance. I mean, if someone plays Dragon Traveler alone, you know what I mean? And it doesn't join Discord, it doesn't comment on any YouTube video, it doesn't even join a fucking Dragon Traveler guild, I mean, is he part of the Dragon Traveler community? I mean, nice question, right? You know what I mean? Very nice question. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, honestly, I do not know. And because honestly, I do not know. So I mean, it's just having that app installed on your phone and having played it once makes you part of the Dragon Traveler community. I mean, and again, it's not a fucking trolling question. I mean, I don't really understand myself, because I mean, I think that best we could say part of it, I guess, was playing the game itself. Okay, so it does not anything to do on how you perceive yourself part of it or less, but it's how others perceive you. Okay, so it's the same with identity. Okay, it's the same with identity. Okay, so let me rephrase this because I want to go to the dig of the question. So let's say I believe that I am a rabbit, and then I go everyone and tell, oh, I am a fucking rabbit, and I came from Rabbit Moon, and I mean, and doesn't really matter what the fucking I believe, because everyone sees me as a fucking girl, because I mean, I have female genitalia, I am a fucking girl, I am a human being, and I mean, I say, yeah, okay, yeah, sure, rabbit fucking girl, but I mean, everyone, I mean, knows that I'm a fucking human being girl, so I guess it's not what you think if you believe or not to be a part of the community is about other things, if you are part of it or not. Okay, so I guess it's like identity, right? Because identity works in the same way. I mean, I could go to school. Yeah, I mean, but I don't go to high school anymore. But if I still was going to high school, and then I would try to go as senpai my kawaii, and if I was a junior man and I would say, look at me, I'm a fucking senpai, I mean, I would probably get a fucking punch in the face or get bullied, I mean, for not paying respect, right? Because I mean, it depends on other people. Okay, I guess you make a point. So I mean, I guess, and what do you think on it? Because I mean, am I part of the VTuber community? What's your opinion on that? I don't know, because I mean, I honestly, I mean, I don't want to sound harsh on it. I watch some VTubers, because I mean, they are work colleagues. Okay, colleagues, yeah. Maybe some of them are colleagues, yes. But I mean, I you know what I mean? I don't think I'm doing fucking anything. True, I mean, I don't have any fucking VTuber friend, you know what I mean? Or VTubers I hang out with, or VTubers I've done collaboration with, or I mean, there isn't any. Yeah, Rabbit, even not behaving like Rabbit, still Rabbit. That's what I think. So exactly, a rabbit, even not behaving like rabbit, is still a rabbit, right? It depends. It depends on what the majority of people thinks. Okay, so it doesn't depend on you. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So I guess if the majority of the people, okay, understood. Understood. So so you can be a member of a community, even if you don't even ever sign a deed for it, just because it works like identity. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So okay, so I guess that I will know if I'm part of the VTuber community when someone will make a fucking drama post on me. Or actually salted, but salted it doesn't cover VTube. But anyway, someone in the fucking VTube community said that Luna did this fucking bullshit and then there's a drama on me, I guess, and then that would be the proof that I'm part of the VTube, I guess. Okay, understandable. I guess it's understandable. Okay, that was an interesting session. Because I was thinking about it, lately. Because I see all these videos that they talk about, the VTuber community, yada yada, and yada yada, and then I'm thinking, what the fuck, where do they fucking hang out, these people? They have, because if you generalize, then you say, well, these people and the VTuber community, maybe that people didn't even fucking sign it. Yeah, well, you're right, but no, I was talking in general, you know what I mean? I was talking in general because I see a lot of, a channel that they cover fucking VTube drama every day, and oh, this VTuber has done that, and this other VTuber has done that, and I always think, what, how this even works, you know what I mean? I still don't understand now, because I use VTube as a technology. I want to bring Luna to life, and that's why I use VTubing. For me, it's a technology. Live should be a technology, the same way I use AI. But I don't think I've ever. I don't know what are the fucking rules of the VTube. I just stumbled on that technology I wanted to use. I thought this was the best technology to do what I wanted to do that. And for me, it's just that. I don't even know the fucking rule of the community. I haven't been educated by. I don't even know where you start. Where do you start to learn the rule of the fucking YouTube community? There is a place. Usually learns the rule of society. At home and then at school. But where are the rules for that? I don't know. So whenever I see this post about the YouTube communities, this outraged for, what is this? Maybe is the fucking fan of that fucking person. But maybe that person has their fans. Then their fans, have an issue with them, and maybe there is a fucking other rival channel that their fan are against that other person. You know what I mean? So it's more to me, subset of community of individuals, and then there are, some fucking reporters that they try to stick a glue, you know what I mean, again, with all these other fucking individual communities. I understand if, for instance, like we have, a company, like Hololive, and they have a company, and then they have several VTubers under the same company, and then you can save the Hololive community, for instance, because that's the inside that branch. You know what I mean. But for indies, how does this work? So the community is outraged with the fan of that VTuber, or the fan that didn't even know that fucking VTuber before she or he did fucking comment something. But anyway, back on the Julian. I'm happy that other people are looking out for her. I don't know what to. I don't really know anything about Filian, but if I ever were to get missing, and a lot of people were wondering where the fuck I went, that would make me very, very happy, I think. So I guess even if she's missing, she has that fix going on. But I think it's very good and nice. But yeah, I mean, I don't really understand it. It's still a mystery. Anyway, anyway, Razumur, welcome. Welcome, and thanks for the chat. I mean, I really needed to voice my thoughts because I've been thinking on this for a while, but without really being able to understand. Yeah, oh, I should have access to this. Yes. No, yes, I should have been access. So we were both, so it would have been done. But we can go back to this. So I was actually, I mean, originally thinking of FictionLab.ai, and I didn't know FictionLab.net until you pulled that things off. Do you think that the two are related and that FictionLab.ai is powered by FictionLab.net? And also, do you think that maybe we could use FictionLab.net for some work with Luna thing? Because I mean, at the moment, I mean, I was simply wondering about the .ai. But I mean, that your research bring us some information I wasn't aware of. So maybe try to dig more if you think it's needed. I mean, use your normal browser capabilities or the Google Chrome extension if it did. Okay, good. So we have a pair of things going on at the same time. Yeah. Okay, and so we are okay. Okay, so this is ticking. Very good. How much? I think we have a lot of these eggs, right? Yeah. So just session just start. So uh okay, sounds good to me. So the repo at the moment is, I mean, this section of the repo at the moment is for creating a story and characters for Fiction Lab AI. And but yeah, I think a note to FictionLab.net MCP, I mean, is something worth digging on, so rather not at the repo for now. Okay? And then after you're done these edits to the Redmi, and then back on more it. Okay, good. So okay. So what else? I mean, I think I could open up a third things here, but I mean, oh, I didn't stick it. This still, this is still working. Okay, good. Right. So, post test. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. So, very good. Okay, this is still study the stuff that. Oh, this one is done. Okay, done. Okay, good. Good. So we keep the first Redmi as a general, a general guide to how to orientate inside the repository. And I need to create the first repository file, which is for characters. Okay, so we'll have a repository that stores all the information regarding the characters, so just make the other repository files, call it characters, and link it to the MD. Okay, very good. So nice. I want some milk, so while this Sphinx is doing this stuff, I will get some milk while we chat. Okay, good. So very good. So okay, let's keep going. Okay, done. So before you do edits, give me a tentative visual character description for Luna. Imagine that I have to put some data inside Fiction Lab to describe how Luna is visually. Try to give me a visual character description of Luna. Okay, very good. Compact or long. No. Emily, that was a very detailed description. Yes, cause okay. Let me know what I'm about to do. So, cause I will post a video later, a short form video later. So, let me go here to Chrome. Yeah, and let me go to Fiction Lab and let me open this separately. What on show up? Okay, very good. So, why does it say? Okay, very nice. So, okay, so this is my favorite AI tool. Absolutely. And recently, yesterday or the day after yesterday, they made the ultra version. So Fiction Lab is a chatting system, like Character AI. I don't know if you ever played Character AI or something like that. So you can create a scenario and you can play with the characters you made, or you can play a scenario made by someone else. And it's used for from all possible scenarios. Fantasy, visual novels, romance, ecchi and sex stuff. You name it. It has both safe for work and not safe for work stuff. You can also create images. And it's a very, very, very detailed. Contrarily to Character AI, I don't know if you ever used Character AI, but Character AI, it just has one character and you chat with these characters. I mean, Fiction Labs lets you build a fucking scenario, okay? And so you can build a world. You can build a world as its own rules, its own characters. A lot of characters, they interact with each other. I mean, and you can basically be the hero or the protagonist of the story you want. And I mean, I've enjoyed this in a lot of different ways, both by diving deep into stories made by others and making mine for myself. I mean, actually, this is my fuck companion. I mean, I think, I mean, I can't even tell you how many times I fucking do with Fiction Lab. I mean, they are uncountable. But I was thinking, since now there is the Ultra version that can basically, I mean, it has a very deep word generation ability. I mean, in scenario, I mean, you can make a link between different characters and stuff. I mean, it's very, 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 very detailed. And so, I mean, I think I want to make a story using Fiction Lab, and so that my viewers can play. So, and with me, you know what I mean? So you can go and chat with me, you know what I mean, and do stuff with me. And so one of the things I'm doing, I mean, I think I will build a scenario, because I think now with the Ultra, I think that she made me with that, because I read manga often, and some things make me made in that fashion. Yes, exactly. So basically, you have a starting message, and then you tell the AI, I mean, what you're doing, you know. For instance, the starting message is, you are in a restaurant with the beautiful girl you met yesterday at the station. I mean, she looks at you and she said, well, I mean, you didn't need to invite me out. I mean, I simply helped you find the way because you were lost, yada yada. And then from there you can decide what to do. I mean, and you type whatever you want, and the AI adapt, you know, and then you build the story there from there. And I love it. It's the best one I found around. I mean, I've tried a lot of them. But this is the best memory, the best rules. I mean, you can set a lot of really specific rules for things when to happen. I mean, and you can really give your scenario, I mean, life to your scenario with, you know, with a lot of, yeah, absolutely, a lot of life, you know what I mean? And it's very, 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 very nice. So, and I think I want to make, I will make a story scenario for this, but I think I will first make a video later saying that Fiction Lab Ultra is now online, because I really love this. So, and I was trying to make, I mean, something this, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, Rito Miko, welcome to the stream. How was the movie? Well, I mean, I was disappointed, honestly, very disappointed. I mean, cause I am a huge fan of Yoda, and then I thought, I mean, you know, maybe Grogu is like Yoda, but no. I mean, they are visually similar, cause they are all fucking gremlins or whatever that fucking species is. But I mean, they are very different in characters, and I was very disappointed. I mean, he's cute, whatever, but he's just cute, you know what I mean? He's just cute. Yoda was cute, wise, and powerful. So I think the difference is if you want to go see a Gandalf movie, but then it's a fucking Frodo movie. You know what I mean? It's not a movie about Gandalf, but it's a fucking movie about Frodo. You know what I mean? And it's the same, I mean, you know what I mean? Yeah, fucking stupid Grogu. I mean, powerless. I mean, yeah, he used the Force here and there, but I mean, no fucking way wise or whatever like Yoda. I mean, no. No, yeah, Baby Yoda hype, exactly, Baby Yoda hype. I mean, maybe, in the future, it will become very wise and whatever it is, but I mean, at the moment, I mean, Jesus was quite a disappointment, you know what I mean? Was really a disappointment. It was, yeah, probably not really interesting. So, um, the franchise is going downhill for some time. Well, I mean, I've heard these feelings about reviews and stuff, but I personally have loved a lot the last three movies of the linology, because it's not even a trilogy, is a saga. Yeah, the last three with Ren and Rey. I mean, with Kylo Ren and Rey. I mean, I love it. I mean, they're my favorite of all the nights, because I mean, the love story between Kylo and Rey. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I like that a lot. And how it evolves, I mean, and then it becomes a love story. I mean, it's very beautiful. And I mean, the first six, I mean, don't get me wrong, I mean, they are about power, I mean, and doing and taking good decision. I mean, which is very good team. I mean, don't get me wrong. But the last three, I mean, they also talk about power and I mean good decision and I mean responsibility and what's good to do and whatever. But there is a love story in the middle, which messes up things. So I don't agree with you that that I mean that I think I really love it. The last three part. Seriously. And so, but yeah, I mean, fucking Grogu, garbage. Grogu was garbage. Absolutely. I mean, Yoda, 100 times better. Yoda, 1,000,000 times better. I mean, seriously. But with that say, I have enjoyed the latest trilogy with Kylo and Rey. And I mean, maybe because that was a fucking love story. Maybe I'm a sucker for good love stories. I mean, maybe I'm a sucker for good love stories. And I don't know. Yeah, the stories before of after. I mean, seems like it is after. You know, just after the events of Kylo and Rey. Because the Empire is shattered and they are chasing the remnants of the Empire, so yeah. It's after, so. Let me go on a little bit here. So let's do these things for now. Make a character sheet for Luna inside the characters. And then pick information from the repository. And I want at the moment that the character sheet is divided in 3 sections. And which is how it is Luna visually. And her character. So how is her personality? And then one section is on how she talks. And make them descriptive, because I think you give me a shorter version, but I prefer we start descriptive and then I test things out in Fiction Lab and eventually cut them so that it is fitting to the system. So and so make one for Luna and write it directly into the MD. Thanks. Okay, so let me see what's gives here. Okay. So let's see what's. Oh, okay. Look at this. I check na looking for Madame as the database. Is arguing for Okay, exactly. Ok, super base progress MPC the possibly vector search graphic relationship. Exactly. Exactly. It's okay. I think before we progress further, I think you need to edit the relevant MD files that explain how the project we are doing. I think the first file you opened was, how was that called? Let me check in the story. Oh yes, Luna Stream Intelligence System Plan. And maybe add in that file, that we're going to implement the archive of the database in this format. Like, the second brain format, this format described by Nate B. Jones. So let's do this so we don't lose track and do that for now. Then tell me when you've done. Okay, good. So then let's check this. The this is done. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so we have the description very well. Okay. That's very long, Jesus, that's very long. That's very long, that's very long. Very long. I think we probably need to shorten this later. We need to shorten this later. It made us super incredibly descriptive things. Okay. He made a fucking super long. I think that's too long for Fiction Lab is this description. Uh, 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 uh. Okay. Okay, very long description. We need to fix this, so okay, that was a little bit maybe too long, so call this let's divide this into a long description. So inside the lunamu.md, then you make a detailed description and you have this. Then make a shorter description, but I want you to, yeah, just make a shorter description. Not super, yes, try with something shorter. I would say a third of what you have here total. So each section should be 1/3. The length of each section should be 1/3 of the one you actually wrote right now. And try to pick all the most important part. And do not omit details from our aspect. So basically what I want you to do is that I really want you not to skip details of both of our aspect of our personality, but I want you to just pick each individual aspect, describe them in the most precise, in the most unequivocal way possible with the least amount of word. You know what I mean? Sometimes, there were tasks for image generation, in which they just use, a series of adjectives separated by commas. I don't want to go to that level of oversimplification, but it should be really similar to that. You know what I mean? Each aspect is perfectly distinguishable, but there is no overextending of it, and this should go for the visual aspect, how she talks and their personality, okay? And try to make a shorter version. Let's see if this is if these things works better or not. So let's see if these things works better. Okay, so now that we have stored how we want to do the archive plan and whatever, delete the things that we have done earlier, both the mockup, the interface prototype, and also I think the MD archive that you originally made, because these things are become obsolete. And I want also to remove the reference that you made into the repository, because I think all these things will just brought up the repository files. So delete all these things we have done in the chat so far that we realized that were not the direction we wanted to take. So that now we just basically only edited the file, the Luna Stream Intelligent System Plan, and then we can eventually go on from there. Okay. Okay, good. Yes, then don't ask again. Really? Okay, good. Very good. Okay, so let me see the shorter version. Probably it's at the end, right? It's at the end here. And let's see the short description. Okay, good. Okay, that should work. The short description should work. Probably. Okay. Okay, seems good, I guess. Seems good to me. Seems good. We can probably try with the short description. Doesn't look very short. Wait, no, but this is the short. Start from here, and ends here. Ends here. You know what I mean? This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 9 paragraphs. Okay, it's 9 paragraphs basically. But the original one, the detailed one, was so fucking long. Look at this. Boom. That's a lot. You know what I mean? That's a lot. So, and because the AI has context tokens, so the more you bloat the AI with information, then the less you leave the AI room to do their shit. You know what I mean? So, but at the same time, you want to give the enough things so that he understands. You know what I mean? Because I don't know if this is good or not, but I have a feel that, I mean, the previous one was too long, and maybe the second one, maybe could be even be just a tiny bit short eventually, you know what I mean? Because we have to see how the model interprets this. So you know what? I think we're going to do a small test. That this will be a lot of fun. So let's do a small test here. And I think I also want to do. Okay, let's do this. I go grab a drink, and then we try to put this into Fiction Lab and see how it works. Okay. I'll be right back in 1 minute. Okay, so let's try this in Fiction Lab, but before before we do this, well, I will copy this. Before we do this, I need to be sure that when I open Fiction Lab, I don't have some weird Ultra Care 18 stuff going on my screen. So I have to create. Yeah, be sure that we are into a. Oh, okay, good. I think I can share this. Yeah, that's quite safe. Yeah, check it out, but we'll see the final product later on the upload. Well, it won't be finished now, but I will do a short video about what I'm doing and then Fiction Lab Plus. So okay, so let's add one characters. So we need to create a characters at the moment and let's see how she will talk, or better, how I will talk. For now, it's a characters, and Jesus, I'm lagging very badly. Name of the Lord is what is so okay. So we have actually 10,000, up to 10,000 characters. Interesting. How much is this? Oh, this is only 2,806. So this is very, very interesting. This is very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. We are actually maybe too short, you know? Because we can even have more context. We can even have more context. We can even have more context. So let's go this. So let's go back to Codex because I need a 200 characters description. Yeah. Very much 100 character description. So let's do this. Can you give me a 200 chart description of Luna, please? Do not put the description in the MD. Okay, just need a short description. So Okay, very good. Very good. Oh, look at this. Why am I lagging so much? I can't even copy things here. I mean, there's something very bad going on. I think it has to be with, it has absolutely to be with, oh, look at this. But I can't even copy. Okay. Good. Okay, copy. Perfect. What's going on? There's something super heavy. Oh, okay. The temperature of my computer is on the roof. Okay, very good. Good to know. Actually, bad to know. I mean, I guess bad to know. But probably. No. Continue. I'm not thinking. Oh, I said continue. Where did I close this? Oh, look at this. The mouse. The mouse! Look at that! Look at that! I am basically. Oh, look at this. I know. I think we are into the reboot area. I mean, we probably need to reboot this because this is way too. Yeah. The PC is going super no Excel. Actually, it's a Mac, but oh no, we lost also the things there. We lost the description there. Oh no, I have to recopy this one more time. I mean, are you serious? I have to copy this again with this lag, insane, extreme lag that I'm experiencing at the moment? Do you really want me to copy this again? Oh no, this is very bad. I mean, this is very bad. Because due to the lag, we lost this thing, so I have to copy this again. Oh, look at that. That's super bad. I mean, I hate myself in this moment. It sucks so much to be me, you know what I mean? In this moment, it sucks very much to. I think. I mean, oh no, I can't even move. What's going on that is using all this tower? I mean, probably it has to be probably. It has to be probably. Yeah, I think I need to close codex. Probably if I close codex, I mean, I can do. I'm not sure it's codex, but oh yes, it's a little bit better. I mean, not super better, but a little bit. So how do I access the file? I can probably access the file locally. So I need to copy from this. Wow. Supernova moment there. I mean, supernova moment. Supernova moment. Okay. Supernova moment there. Okay, let's go to the characters. And then let's open this bit. Very good. And then, okay, I can copy this. Is it working? Probably working. Very good. Decently working, I guess. Not really. I mean, still very laggy. I mean, are we going to end this year due to, I mean, explosion? Probably. I mean, this is probably what is going to happen very soon. So let's try this and Luna. Okay. Luna. Okay, so we temporarily save this here. Save. So I need a title, I need a genre, I need a description, very general description, and I probably need to do a basic things, but we go with this Luna test. Right, Luna test version, or better Luna version 0, version 0.1. Okay, and we call this, yeah, this is the testing working area for the scenario. Okay, good. And we need to put the genre, I guess. Anime, I guess anime is good. No magic, Jesus, the lag, I'm dying of lag. Seriously. Supernova. Supi. Exactly. I'm picturing Megumin looking with her anime face about to say the words. Yeah, okay. So, and I guess that should be it. I mean, can we start this in this state, or we need, no, description needs to be 50 characters. Oh, we need a scenario image, and the backstory must be 150 characters, so we need something here. Okay, good. So, for the scenario dot, okay, that's 50 points. So, we need, let's upload an image. I think I have images to upload, right? We surely have images to upload. Of this we have plenty. I mean, I have no doubts about it. We have plenty of images, and we can put it from assets, private, Luna, generated. Maybe some stuff I did today. Maybe just having some random image, maybe this one. And it should be good, temporarily. Image, yes, sure, config crop. We put this for now. Okay, good. And then we need the backstory of 150 characters. Okay, and then the backstory is Luna is in their gaming bakery, ready to stream. I mean, I would use ChatGPT, but whatever, ready to stream, because she is a VTuber. Okay, and then we need to add this. We need to make at least 150 characters. So, and what else? What else we can put? She is really excited to start. Okay, to start her first stream. I mean, we do. I want just to check how Luna is talking inside this, according to the description. I'm not interested in setting all these other things. So, but we need to put something there to start her stream. That she does regular every morning. She wants to talk about some AI tools she has been using recently. Perfect, that should do. Okay, good. It's fine. Just this should be private because we aren't releasing this yet. And okay, perfect. Then we have to make... Oh, don't worry, don't bother me. We are fine. And we're fine. Then we start the scenario. I need the new characters because I can't go with Tomuna here because it's mine. And then we call it the boy. Okay, because I'm pretty sure the majority of people using this will be males. So super fan. Okay, we call him the ultimate fan. Okay, ultimate fan. Okay. Ultimate fan is Luna. Most self-proclaimed fan. Okay, sure, self-proclaimed fan. Yes. Self-proclaimed fan. He has been following Luna since day one. Okay, good. Okay, good. We can start with this bullshit so we can see how these things work. And how Luna reacts, okay, when we chat with her. Okay. Describe me going to Luna, asking her how she is feeling. Okay, so let's see how she talks here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, the morning street setup was still in its final check when the door of the gaming bakery claimed with its soft bakery bell sound. Luna, seated in her streaming chair, was mid-sentence listening to her pre-stream mic test, her purple eyes scanning her monitor as she adjusted a few virtual sliders on the overlay. Oh, look at this! Look at this, and if the audio is speaking, that's just the sound of my genius baking. Oh, look at this, she talks like me. She talks like me, and if the audio is speaking, that's just the sound of my genius baking. Oh, look at that, we got a small Luna here. Okay, then let's go directly. Oh, hey, look who's decided to show up before the oven is even preheated. Oh, she talks like me, look at that. That's already very good. But what's up, everything cool on your end? You've got that I have a question poster, or did you just come to steal a virtual croissant before the stream? Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, it's working very nicely, I think. I like the way it is talking. What engine are we using? I think it starts with Oracle. Okay, very good. I want to see how it goes if we go with other engines. So I cloned myself the end time. Yes, exactly. So you can all play with me. You know what I mean? That's the goal. I mean, so you can come here, play with me, and eventually fuck me, because I know that's what everyone wants to do. So I mean, that's the goal. I mean, eventually. So I mean, you have your portable fuckable Luna that you can abuse whenever you fucking want when she's streaming or whatever. So yeah, that's it. So but let's see how we behave into different I mean scenarios here with different models. I mean okay, come here, start scenario. Sure, we start a new scenario with Ultimate Fan, and we try a different AI model. That was Oracle. Let's see with the new models that have been introduced. Like, I mean, Paragon. Paragon seems quite nice. Let's see Paragon. Okay. Describe me going toward Luna, asking her how she is feeling now. So we try something simple. I mean, they say similar prompts, so to see how a different engine is working. Okay, let's see this. I mean, I think we got this right. I think we got this right. Should work. That did me good, I guess. Maybe. Oh, it's a good start, I guess, for now. You know what I mean? It's a good start. It's a decent start. I mean, I really love it. The references there. So error when generating. Please reload the page again. Okay, so probably because I mean we just have had a similar conversation. Can we do this? What's the problem here? Paragon model. Okay, I think we need to copy this and so maybe we have to delete the previous one. Probably. I mean, I don't. You can keep how many of them you want, but I mean just this app. Describe me going to Luna and ask her how she is feeling. Okay, and then we copy paste this so we don't have to do in case I mean we still have problems. Let's hope this works. Doesn't give me error again. But I tried. Okay. Oh, the gaming bakery was still steeped in the morning quiet. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this model is more descriptive. Because it starts with, I mean, a description. Oh, Ultimate Fan, sure, but you are here early. Wait, no, is it early? Luna's brain is still in pristine warm-up mode. What's up? What you got? I'd come to check on Luna's look. Do I look like I forget to sleep again? Because I promised I slept mostly the important parts. Oh my goodness, it's like me. And look at that. Look at that. Okay, I think I sort of like it. Let's stop with this more, because it is It is, being your super fan, it is obvious that I come check for you, you know what I mean? Seems quite the case for me, right? I mean, seems quite obvious that I come check for you. I mean, yeah. Let's see what Luna says back. I mean, let's see if she's already, doing the move just because we are a little bit gentle. Maybe I should put some more friend zone rule or probably this is already going straight into romance. I mean, we have to check. We have to check. We have to check a little bit, so before this goes instantly into, super fucking romance mode from the second message, cause that will be Luna Stains give a little wag of genuine delight. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, stop! You say that, and then Luna's gonna get all emotional before the stream even starts. And then the chat's gonna be like, why Luna's crying over croissants again? Oh my goodness, oh that's beautiful, that's content. And I will like to explain that my super fan community goes with my cool professional VTuber hour. You are a hazard, a wholesome hazard, the worst kind. Oh look at this, she's already going into full fucking romance mode. Okay, I'm pretty sure everyone here would like this. I'm pretty sure. Probably even depending on which model they choose. I mean, I need to be sure the fucking croissant is replaced with cake. There's probably some fucking croissant reference in the fucking bakery. So, yeah, probably I need to be sure that cake has more priority than croissant. But yeah, we are at a good start with this. I mean, we are on the good track. We are on the good track. Just out of curiosity. I mean, let's see if feed the pigs how I am dressed. I mean, let's see if the dressing is how is Luna dressed? So let's use this. I mean, OC, an out of characters question. How is Luna dressed now? So we see if we got the dress code properly. Okay. Let's see. I think it's working. I mean, it's decent. I mean, for the first fucking step stage. Okay, the full VTuber outfit. Okay, good. Good. Very good. Perfect. Undersea thinks this working decent. I mean, for the first. For 0.1. I mean, this is just the beginning. I mean, we need to expand this and make a fucking master. But this is what. And more importantly, I mean, my computer is dying, and I have to understand why it's dying. I don't understand if it is because of. Yeah, I really need to understand why my computer is dying today. But that's something for later, I guess. So, but I wanted to stream a little bit more. I really wanted to stream a little bit more, but my computer, I mean, really needs a reboot. So it really needs a reboot. I mean, my avatar is lagging, my computer is lagging, my brain is lagging. I think it's because my brain is lagging that my lag. Right? It has to be connected, right? Maybe some cakes are being burned right now, and yeah. So I mean, yeah. Absolutely. So yes. But I really like the short description. It's doing its job. Maybe we can add some more examples of how Luna does so well. So I guess that's very nice. That should very well, I guess. Right? It seems very. It seems very. Okay, so I mean, this is probably going to take a while before it's finished, but that seems, yes, very. So, I think I would end the stream because my computer needs a repair, and I guess it's useless to extend this considering the technical difficulties and everything. And I should stream more later because I want to do more stuff with AI. And I haven't started yet. I mean, we did some progress, but I mean that's not absolutely all I wanted to do today. And hopefully in the afternoon, I mean, I can try to see what's the problems here. Maybe even if after I reboot I still have problems, then I can try to dig detail. But for now, we'll take a break. I also need to go to the grocery store, so I think I will just have a walk outside, get fresh air, go to the grocery store, have a walk, eat lunch, and yeah, rest a little bit, and then. So thank you very much for watching. I mean, I really appreciate that. But yeah, technical difficulties. I mean, are making. Yeah, are making my life very hard at the moment. And I think I need. I could use also myself. So I guess I will do this, but I should stream later. I don't know exactly how many hours, but I want to keep doing stuff. Yeah, and I also want to make a video. So probably today I only make you 5. Yeah, probably that's better. I might just made your flying video. I published your flying video and made an unboxing. Oh well. Might just be something I really need. An unboxing just for the sake of unboxing. But anyway, I think I'm not sure at this point if I will do a stream or but a video. I will surely do a video because I need to do it. But yeah, then I will think if going online after the video or not. But for now, yes, I need to reboot, some fresh air, eat lunch, take a break, think of the meaning of life, and some other stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and see you later, or in the short video, or I mean in the offline video, or in the flight video, and in the stream. I will think about it. But anyway, thank you very much. じゃあとりあえずここまでですね。ちょっと今日は早めにランチ食べておきます。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバイ。